Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record videos in 8K. Okay, so to do it we need to open up our camera app. Now select the video right in here, and now in the top right corner we can select the size. So normally it will be a thing on the Full HD, but in here you can select the 8K. And below, unfortunately, we only have 30 FPS, when on the Full HD we have the 60, but it's the 8K, so it is how it is. We have 30 FPS and the 8K. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.